Yeah, and I think that's the key thing. It's about scalability, and Excel is good. Like you can really work. You can use Excel to make your balance sheet balance. It is a tool. I think the key thing I've learned is there are better tools in the market. There are better ways to, especially from a reviewer side, like how quickly can I look at errors in a file and find out how they happened? Was it client side or was it one of my accountants that did it? And really trying to hone down on like those final adjustments. That's where I've found my Excel work papers, probably didn't stand up the test of time. And also like they get prone to error over time because I'm copying sheets from year to year and I'm starting to copy more and more errors. And things can sometimes even just get completely missed or deleted. Some of the worst ones I've ever seen in my time, John, is one person using a leave provision work paper that had people's salary and wages down the bottom of the leave provision work paper from a completely different company.
Oh,
So, like those risks there of Excel are very open.
huge. Yeah. So